The importance of beach cleaners in tackling marine waste. Beach cleaners play a crucial role in preserving marine ecosystems and coastal areas. Here are 7 key reasons why they are essential. 1. Reducing marine waste. They clean up litter on the beach before it enters the ocean, preventing pollution of marine ecosystems. 2. Protecting marine habitats. Plastic waste and other hazardous materials can harm marine habitats. Beach cleaners help protect wildlife from these threats. 3. Preventing health risks. Litter on beaches can be a source of disease. Beach cleaners ensure cleanliness to safeguard public health. 4. Maintaining beach aesthetics. Clean beaches attract tourists, boosting local tourism potential and the community's economy. 5. Public education. Beach cleaners often educate visitors on the importance of disposing of waste properly. 6. Recycling waste. They sort recyclable waste, reducing landfill waste and supporting sustainability efforts. 7. Climate protection. Waste breaking down in the ocean can produce greenhouse gases. Their efforts prevent these negative impacts on climate change. The role of beach cleaners goes beyond aesthetics. It is vital for ecosystem protection and environmental sustainability.